Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to PMDC online lecture room. Today we will study about conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are those words which joins or hooks together groups of words and sentences. It also joins clauses, phrases, etc. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Let me discuss first the coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions which connects two equal parts of sentence. For example, Ali is brilliant and Sarah has good personality. If you look at this example, both parts of this sentence are equal. Coordinating conjunctions are actually 7 in numbers, and these are short simple words, but these conjunctions are the most common ones and most usable. Well students, fanboys is the name which is given to these 7 coordinating conjunctions. This is actually the easiest formula to remember all these 7 coordinating conjunctions. Fanboys is actually, this name is made by the initial spells of all these coordinating conjunctions, in which F stands for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. So this is the shortest formula to remember them. Among these 7 coordinating conjunctions, the most common ones are and, but, or, and so. Let me discuss it separately. And joins the similar ideas together. For example, Sarah ate bananas and Zara ate mangoes. Look, both the ideas are similar, which are joined by and. But on the opposite joins two opposite ideas together. She is small but strong. Now small and strong are two contradictory thoughts, contradictory words, so these are joined by but. Coordinating conjunctions or is used to show choice or possibility. See the example, he will be here on Monday or Tuesday, which shows the possibility or choice, Monday or Tuesday. Coordinating conjunction so is used to show result. For example, I was tired, so I went to sleep. Now the tiredness, now going to the bed was the result of your tiredness. So that is why so always shows the result of something. Let me discuss now subordinating conjunctions. Opposite to coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions connects two parts of a sentence that are not equal. For example, I finished my work before going to market. Now before is introducing subordinate clause, and that is why this is a subordinating conjunctions. So because first one is independent clause, that is why these are not two equal parts of a sentence. So before is joining two unequal parts of a sentence. The most common subordinating conjunctions are after, before, unless, if, although, until, as, since, when, because, while, etc. Now coming towards correlating conjunctions. Correlating conjunctions are those pairs of conjunctions that works together in a sentence. For example, both Kim and Jim are good swimmers. Now both and in this sentence are correlating conjunctions. This is important. If you are using one part of this conjunction, you have to use another part. This is compulsory. The most common conjunctions are both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also are important correlating conjunctions. Now you have to practice and fill in these blanks to check whether you understand conjunctions or not. Hope your idea about the conjunctions is clear now. Thank you for